Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem which is based on area under the curve. Let us start with problem number 10. Find the area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4ax and its latest rectum. Now the first equation or the curve is given about the parabola. As you can see, we have y square is equal to 4ax. The two variables are x and y. To draw the graph of the given parabola, you need to check the minimum power. As you can see, the power of y is 2 and the power of x is 1. So the minimum power is with x. The second step is to check the sign of the variable having minimum power. The minimum power is with x, and here you can see x is positive. So therefore I will draw a parabola which is in the positive direction of x-axis. So this is our parabola y square is equal to 4ax, which is in the positive direction of x-axis. Now the next is latus rectum. So basically latus rectum is a line which is at a distance of a units from the parabola. As you can see, the parabola starts from this point. Taking a distance of a units on the right hand side, we will draw a line that will give you x is equal to a. So latus rectum for this parabola is nothing but the line x is equal to a. So this line is called as latus rectum. They have asked you in the question to find area between the latus rectum and the parabola. So this entire area is to be found out. But as you can see, the upper part and the lower part is symmetrical. So we can find this part and multiply it by 2 in order to get the entire area. Now this area is formed by the parabola and we need to find the point of intersection so that we can get the limits. As you can see, this is a line x is equal to a. Here the value of a will be a comma 0. Thus the limits of x will be from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. Further, we will use the formula integral y dx, as here limits of x are known and the value of y will be obtained from the given equation of parabola. The given equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. So y will be under root 4ax. This will give you 2 into under root ax. So let us find this area first and multiply it by 2. So area will be 2 into integral y dx. Limits of x are 0 to a and the value of y is 2 under root ax. Now taking this 2 and under root a constant outside, we have root x left inside the integral. This will give you 4 root a. Root x can be written as x raised to half. Using the formula x raised to n, we have x raised to n plus 1, that is half plus 1 will give you 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 within limits 0 to a. Here reciprocal of 3 by 2 will be multiplied, that is 4 root a into 2 by 3, and substituting upper and lower limits, we have a raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 raised to 3 by 2. That will give you 4 to the 8 upon 3. Root a can be written as a raised to half. Here we have a raised to 3 by 2. Now a raised to half into a raised to 3 by 2. The power will be added using the law of indices. So half plus 3 by 2 will give you 4 by 2. That will give you 2. So we have 8 upon 3 into a square. Square units. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.